Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen innovation with the best air fryer toaster oven. From crispy fries to perfectly toasted sandwiches, we'll explore the top contenders in this multifunctional appliance category. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more culinary insights. Number 1. Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven, a game changer in kitchen appliances. With its 8-in-1 functionality, this sleek silver powerhouse does it all: air frying, baking, roasting, toasting, dehydrating, and more. Its compact design includes a convenient flip-up and away capability, saving valuable countertop space when not in use. The included air fry basket, wire rack, and crumb tray make cooking a breeze, while the digital interface ensures precise control over your culinary creations. Whether you're whipping up crispy fries, succulent roast chicken, or perfectly toasted bagels, the Ninja SP101 delivers outstanding results every time. Upgrade your kitchen arsenal and elevate your cooking experience with the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven. Number 2. Nuve Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven, a game changer for your kitchen. With its sleek brushed stainless steel design, this 12-in-1 countertop convection oven offers versatility like no other. Its generous 30-quart XL capacity ensures you can cook for the whole family with ease. From air frying to toasting and everything in between, this oven does it all. Take control of your cooking with precise temperature adjustments ranging from 50 degrees to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and customizable top and bottom heater settings from 0% to 100%. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. Whether you're crisping up snacks or baking a gourmet feast, the Nuve Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven delivers exceptional results effortlessly. It's time to elevate your culinary game and make cooking a joyous experience. Number 3. Black Plus Decker 4-Slice Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven, TO1787SS. This sleek stainless steel powerhouse is more than just a toaster oven, it's a game changer. With 5 cooking functions, including air frying, baking, broiling, toasting, and keeping warm, it offers versatility for any meal. The 30-minute timer ensures precise cooking, while the spacious interior accommodates 4 slices of bread or a 9-inch pizza effortlessly. Plus, its innovative air frying technology delivers crispy, golden results without the guilt of deep frying. Say hello to your new kitchen essential. Number 4. Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven XL20L, the ultimate kitchen companion for healthy cooking enthusiasts. This countertop convection oven boasts a generous 20-liter capacity, perfect for whipping up family-sized meals with ease. With 9 cooking functions at your fingertips, from baking and broiling to air frying, this appliance is as versatile as it gets. Its user-friendly interface and convenient auto shut-off 60-minute timer ensure hassle-free operation, while the non-stick stainless steel construction makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, with the shade selector, you can customize your cooking preferences for that perfect golden finish every time. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy meals and hello to delicious, guilt-free cooking with the Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven XL20L. Number 5. Cuisinart TOA70 Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven, the culinary powerhouse that revolutionizes your kitchen experience. With its sleek stainless steel design, this 8-in-1 oven seamlessly transitions between baking, grilling, broiling, and warming, delivering versatile cooking options at your fingertips. Say goodbye to traditional frying methods and embrace healthier cooking with its air frying functionality, ensuring crispy, delicious results with significantly less oil. Equipped with advanced convection technology, it ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or preparing a family feast, the Cuisinart TOA70 is your ultimate kitchen companion, elevating your culinary creations to new heights of flavor and convenience. In conclusion, the best air fryer toaster oven can revolutionize your cooking experience, offering convenience, versatility, and healthier meals without compromising taste. Whether you're cooking for yourself or the whole family, these appliances provide a perfect blend of efficiency and flavor. With advanced features and reliable performance, they truly stand out in the kitchen. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more reviews and cooking tips. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Happy cooking!